I am very optimistic on our technology. I am incredibly bullish on the markets, and you're right to be worried about our deficits. Our deficits right now are not a big issue, and that's what the markets are saying. And they're not a big issue because the amount of money that's on the sideline, the amount of capital that is trying to be put to work. But there will be a moment if we don't have economic growth, if we don't have economic growth that is sustainable over the next 10 years, and I'm saying economic growth that is above 3%, our deficits are going to matter, and they are going to elevate interest rates at some time, and they are going to be probably crowding out private capital.
Yes, sound the alarm, people. Stock alert, stock alert. Blackrock, which is the largest asset management company in the world, just bought this penny stock, and they bought this $8 stock, and it's probably something you guys want to take a look at. I know I've got a few people who love doing the penny stocks that watch this channel. We'll go into my Robinhood account, we'll take a look at them, and we'll see if you guys want to decide it's something you want to buy. If you're finding me for the first time, please subscribe to the channel. Be sure to turn on notifications so when I drop videos, you guys get them. Also follow me on Instagram, DM if you have questions about business, stocks, real estate. You guys know I've done it all. Own businesses, still own some, own real estate, heavy in the stock. And this video is about how I get some of my information about stocks to try to forecast it before it happens. So Blackrock, my people, is the largest asset management company in all the world. And I do follow these people the same way I follow Kathy Wood and ART ETF. And I try to match up where some of these larger ETFs are moving stocks around to see if there's a trend going. Well, we've got a trend, my people, and I'm going to jump on my Robinhood account to show you. Blackrock just bought SGTX, and they also bought LPL, which is something you guys are going to know once I show it to you. So let's jump up here and take a look. So SGTX is the penny stock. And right now it's a therapeutic company. And if you guys are familiar with penny stocks and how it roll, I would bet you that over 50% of all the penny stocks are medical companies, medical therapeutic companies trying to come up with something that's going to pop. And so here's one right here. And they are a biopharmaceutical company engaging in research and development of therapeutic treatments for a wide range of chronic disease. Rare blood disorders, lysosomal storage disorder, all kinds of disorders. Something triggered Blackrock into buying them. And the first thing I come down here and look at is the earnings. And the earnings went up, stayed about the same. And then I also checked their history. They've been horrible since they've been out. They came out last year and hit a peak of about $48 and then kicked the bucket all the way down. And in the last year, you see the trend. Last 3 months still going down. And in the last month, it went up 9%. But in the last week, it's going back down. And so all my people that like to play in the cheap penny stock range, this could be one that could be a good look for you. I checked a couple of other websites, and a lot of analysts are saying that they think that this stock has the potential to at least get back to 9. And then you had some analysts saying that the stock they think can get all the way back up to $48. So for those of you who like to gamble, those of you who have a couple of dollars sitting around that you don't mind being in the market for about 6 months, this could be a hot stock for you guys to take a look at. Now let's go take a look at the other one Blackrock is talking about, which is more of my speed. LPL, LG displays. You guys probably got an LG TV in your house. And basically what they're big for is OLED products, displays, commercial monitor notebooks, mobile auto. You find there are lights everywhere. And if you follow me on my big channel, you know that I owned this stock in 2019 for a little while. Then it peaked and I got out right before it peaked, and now it went back down. And here they are buying up. Blackrock bought 1.4 million of shares of this stock, which tells me a whole lot. So in the last 5 years, the stock hasn't done a whole lot. I caught it at a peak. The last year, it's gone up 20%. Last 3 months, it's taken a 15% dive. And in the last month, it's kind of been riding a little bit of a wave. So let's just come down here and show some more and see what's going on. So far this year, the 52-week low was $6 and the high was $12, and right now it's $8. So I definitely believe that this thing is going to get back to 12. And the analyst rating for this one is a 63% buy. Earnings have gone up, held stagnant, went up, held stagnant, and then went up again. And with it about to be the Christmas holiday and the Super Bowl coming up, people are probably going to be taking TVs off the shelf left and right like milk is about to spoil. So I would say for those of you that want to get a better play on what Blackrock is doing, LG would be a better play for you. This is where I would stick some pennies into the pond to try to get a wish come true, would be with LG. But again, I just give you guys this information for you to make your own decision. If you love penny stocks, when you see these big financial institutions buying them, it always could be a sign that they've heard something and that something big is going to be happening over the next couple of weeks. So if you got a few bucks, throw some in both of them. But let me know what you think. Have you owned any one of these? Have you heard of them? I know you've heard of LG. How many of you guys got LG TVs in your house? Post me in the comments below and let's wrap. That's going to do it for this video. Don't forget to like my video. Please comment, subscribe. Go get yourself that life game, man. Follow me on Instagram. DM me when you have questions. You want to talk about business, stocks, anything I cover on this channel. See if we can help get you guys those life gains as a team. And until that next Sexy as Hell video, I'll see you.